back to my channel. If you've ever wanted to create professional looking content using artificial intelligence without the use of complex tools or editing skill, this tutorial is for you. In this video, I'll be walking you through Canva's brand new Magic Studio. It makes the process fast, intuitive, and beginner friendly. All you need is just your Canva account and a bit of creativity. If you do not have a Canva account already, use your email account to get one. If you have the Canva account already on your device, log in. Let's get started. You can generate all the content you need with the power of Magic Studio or Canva AI. Now, for you to access Canva AI, you need to have the Pro version of the Canva app. This is where to access the Pro version or to access the Canva AI, or Magic Studio. Click on this button here, then come down to where you have Canva AI. Click on it. Then these are some of all the contents you can generate using Canva AI. You can design, can ask the AI to design for you. You can create an image. It can code for you. You can also use it to draft a document. You can use it to create a video clip. Now, for this video or for this demo, I'm going to be showing you how to create a video clip using the Canva AI. On this interface, where we have the plus sign, this is where if you have already generated the image that you want to turn to a video. This is when you click on this plus sign, here, you upload the image. You upload the image from your device. Then you give where you have described your idea. You enter your prompt inside this box. You can either speak as I'm speaking, speak to give your prompt, or you can type your prompt. Now, Canva AI cannot create image to video, cannot create a video from image. So you just give your prompt. You can just speak, use the speaker here. Let me use the speaker prompt. So I'm letting it, I've given it the permission to load. So when you are giving your prompt, be specific, be detailed with your prompt. If you just give anyhow prompt, it's going to generate whatever anyhow video for you, because it is not a mind reader. It is AI, but not a mind reader. So give it a detailed prompt. If you want it to generate a video of someone who is confident, who is in the field, who is cooking or doing anything, just be detailed with your prompt and you get exactly what you have in your mind from the video it is going to generate from you. The video is generating. Just a few seconds and our video will be ready.
Joseph was betrayed by his own brothers,
finished work.
sold as a slave, thrown
If you
into
gain
jail,
value from
but
this
he never
video,
stopped trusting
don't
God.
forget to like this
Years
video.
later, God made him
Liking this video,
Imagine being sold by your own
keep us on
brothers.
this page.
Joseph was betrayed, jailed,
Also,
forgotten, but
follow
he
us
still
on Facebook
trusted
and
God.
subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.
What looked like a
See you on
setback
the
was a
next
setup.
episode of our
Hold
educational
on, God's
series.
timing is